Now 5th standard students, let us start a new chapter. Be my multiple, I'll be your factor. Okay, already we have taken in the online class, but that time the sound was not good and noises are there, so let us revise. The mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Name is good na, mouse? Kunjan, new name. Kunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can be hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Yes. 3 steps at a time she can jump. So 1, 2, 3, 6. So mouse will reach here. Then from the 6, the cat will reach here. Then from here, mouse will be here. Then 12, 20, 15, 22, 18, 24. The cat is here at 10. From 1, 2, 3, the cat will reach 21. The mouse will reach 26 from 24 to. Then cat will be here. The mouse will be inside the hole. So the steps on which the mouse jumps at a time, 2, 2. The steps on which the cat jumps. So cat is jumping from the 3rd step. The steps on which the mouse jumps, the steps 14th steps. The mouse jumps. And the steps on which the cat jumps, 3rd. The steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. So common steps we have to calculate. So 3, 3, multiple of 3. So 6. So we will write here in the rough. Cat is on 3. So at a time 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27 because the last is 28 and 29 steps. So 30 is not there. So we will write the table till here. After that, mouse is starting from here. So 14 plus 2, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. So common steps from the cats and mouse, common. 18, he is here and he is here also. Then 24, 24. Then so the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump, 18 and 24. Can the mouse get away? Yes, क्योंकि उसको खा नहीं पाई बिल्ली. Okay. Now if the cat starts from the 5th step and jumps 5 step at a time and the mouse starts from 8th step and the jumps from 4 steps at a time, can the mouse get away? So this you have to do. Same, you will draw the steps like this. And in place of cat, now cat is on 5th step. And according to the mouse step is on 8th step. And at a time, cat 5th steps, cats and jumps 5 steps. So 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Okay, in this way you will do, and on my personal number you will send your work. Okay. Now, who is Monto waiting for? Okay, Monto Kate is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. Okay, let us learn the trick. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. So I am not having any color, but you will do with color. That day also I told you. On which day? When I taught you in the online class. Okay. So I am using for circle. For red dot I am using circle. Okay. So multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 circle is 2. Then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, in this way you will do. You will red color you will use for this. Okay, mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3 and blue dot which can be divided by 4. So for yellow dot I am using right tick mark. Okay, for yellow dot multiple of 3, that means. So right is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So you will use yellow color. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. In this way you will use. Okay, you will use color. Now blue dot can be divided by 4. Okay, so for this I am taking which remark? Star. For blue color. So 4, star. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. In this way you will do. Okay, in till 16. Okay, now after that what? Which are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? That means red, yellow and blue. So first is here only these 2 colors. I made symbol na, so 3. See here 12. You can see all the 3 symbols. So 3 colors you will get. So see here 12 numbers, all the 3 colors. Okay, dot you will put here. Then afterwards also you will find all the 3 colors. And the next question is write those letters below in order. So what are the letters on the top of those boxes? So with 3 colors on the top of which letter is written here? So you will write this letter on here. After that you will find. Okay, so do this activity. For divisible by 2 with red color, divisible by 3 with blue color, divisible by 4 blue divisible by 2 red color, divisible by 3 yellow color and divisible by 4 blue color. And all the 3 colors, if on the one box is common, that letter you have to write in this box. So this is your homework. You will send this activity on my personal number. Okay, now meow game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle. So you can play this game with your family members. One player calls out 1, the next player says 2, and so on. A player who has to call out 3 instead of 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 has to say meow instead of the number. Number you will not recall, only meow One who forgets the same meow is out of the game. The last player left is the winner. Suppose that in a circle all the family members are arranged. Suppose that in your family 6 members are there. So first member is telling 1, 2. So third member will say meow. After that 4, 5th members will tell his or her number. So 6th one meow. After that, after 6, 7, 8. First and second number will be 7th, 8 now will become. Okay. Then 9th will not say 9. Instead of 9, meow. Okay. In this way you have to play this game. We say these numbers are the multiple of 3. When you will complete the table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. In this way. Okay. So we say these numbers are the multiple of 3. That means table of 3. So multiple of 3, that means if any number is divisible by 3, the number is the multiple of 3. 3 is divided by 3. So this 3 is the multiple of 3. 6 is divided by 3. So 6 is the multiple of 3. 9 is divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. So 9 is the multiple of 3. These numbers are the multiple of. Okay, now which numbers did you replace with meow? Play the game by changing the number 4. Now you will play this game with your family members number by 4. Now instead of 3, whatever number, that means whatever family member is getting 4. So instead of 4, he or she will say meow. These numbers are the multiple of 4. Write any 10 multiples of 5. So you can write the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5. So in this way you will write the table of 5. Okay.